Welcome back. We're in the 608 this morning with more on a food drive happening right now between a local hospital and an area nonprofit.
Josh Breider's live in Janesville this morning with how you can help out. Hey there, Josh.
Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, we're live here at SSM Health St. Mary's Hospital in Janesville. I've got the mask on because we are inside. So if you're noticing that this morning, that is the case here this morning. Of course, we are talking about the food drive happening in partnership with ECHO Inc. this morning. That's everyone cooperating to help out others here in Janesville. We've got a couple of wonderful folks with us this morning to talk a little bit more about this effort. We're going to start with Chaplain Randy Booth with the hospital here and, talk a little bit about what makes this food drive really unique for you guys.
Well, as a faith-based hospital, we've always been interested in helping the community and not just waiting for people to get sick to help them, but reaching out and taking the initiative so that we can get involved in people's lives to keep them healthy and make a difference in their lives. We want to be a leader in the community.
So this food drive happening right now, what specifically are you asking folks to be able to donate?
Well, we want individual cups, little plastic cups of vegetables, applesauce, or fruit, because that seems to help people who are in a homeless situation the best. And that's one of the most vulnerable people. We don't want them to be patients here. If we can keep them healthy, there's a certain vulnerability in homelessness that goes with health. And if we can keep them healthy, we can actually keep them away from the hospital.
You've been pretty proud of all of the folks already stepping up to what you have, but you have a long way to go, right?
Yes, we do. It'll end at the end of the week. But right now, this is food that has been collected just from our employees. And so the administration here at the hospital decided to create a fun competition. So each of the floors, the ground level, the first floor, second and third floors, and they're all combined together. And whoever brings in the most cups gets a nice prize at sometime next week. Will be a nice ice cream sundae party.
Nice little incentive there. I want to bring in Jessica Loker with ECHO Inc., you're the executive director there. And seeing a program like this, how special is this for you guys?
We are super excited for SSM Health and their partnership in hosting this food drive for us. Without their assistance, we would not be able to provide food for those in our emergency motel voucher program. Most of the people that we're providing assistance to in that program, they only have access to a small microwave and very little fridge. So to be able to have non-perishable, healthy items to help them be able to eat and be able to go out and help look for work, look for housing is really important. So we're very grateful to SSM Health for hosting this drive for us.
Yeah, and you mentioned those really specific items. There are a lot of things that you really need all the time, right?
Correct. We always are in need of basic staples of cereal, vegetables, fruit, pastas, soups, etc. But the motel voucher food program, our motel voucher program is really important that we have these single-serve microwavable foods because last year in 2021 we provided 9,292 nights in local motels, and this year so far we've already provided over 4,000. In pre-COVID, we actually were only providing about 4,000 nights in a year. So the need has really increased, and so we are very grateful to have food drives happening here in our community to help support the food.
Thank you for everything that you're doing. And Randy, people are still interested. What do they need to know through the end of the week?
So if anyone's coming into the hospital, look for these green barrels that we have. They're on the clinic side, and people can make any donation. They don't get the ice cream at the end of the week, though. But we'd happy to have them come in from the public because it's about the community. And we want to get beyond just our four walls here at the hospital.
Wonderful. Well, Randy and Jessica, thank you very much, guys. If you want to learn more, you can go up to channel3000.com. I've got links right there on our homepage and mobile app this morning. Of course, we'll have much more on the impact here in Janesville coming up in our next half hour, guys.
All right, let's make a difference today, huh?
Yeah, great idea.
Let's do it. Josh Breider live in Janesville. Thanks, Josh.
Remember to let Josh know what inspires you in the 608. Reach out to him on social media or shoot him an email.